Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
It's getting late. Kids might be hungry. Need to check what Muskan and Sarah are doing. It's so silent outside. Muskan and Sarah, what are you guys doing?
We are playing video games, Mommy. It is so much fun.
But darlings, you guys were playing from a long time. It's not good for your eyes. Please switch it off.
But Mommy, we are so bored. We have nothing to do.
Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Walaikum assalam, Daddy.
Daddy.
You guys look sad. What happened?
Muskan and Sarah were playing on phone for a long time. I have asked them to switch it off. That's why they are sad, Daddy.
We are bored, Daddy. We have nothing to do.
Oh. I have a solution. We can go to park and have lot of fun.
Jazakallah, Daddy.
Barakallahu feek, darlings. Now go and get your cycling gear. We will go to park after drinking tea.
Daddy, we are ready.
Okay, darling. We will go to the park now.
Sarah, let's race. It will be fun. Okay, Muskan. Sarah, you are so lazy. Why can't you run fast? But Muskan, I am tired. I cannot run. No, you are just lazy. How can you be tired by running so less distance? You stop doing this drama now.
Muskan, darling, what happened? Why are you so angry?
Mommy, Sarah is doing so much drama. She is acting as if she is tired. She is doing this because she does not want to play with me.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not one who would abuse, or say obscene words, or curse others. We as Muslims should follow our Prophet, peace be upon him, and not be angry, or curse anyone. You guys were riding the bicycle, and also were playing. And maybe Sarah got tired with all those activities. You cannot be angry on her for such small thing.
You are correct, Mommy. I should not have behaved like that. I am sorry, Sarah. Please forgive me. I won't be mean to you again. It's okay, Muskan. No problem.
Mashallah, my darlings. Let's go home now. It's getting late.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.